Hey, the US dollar, it's got something sneaky going on. But wait till you hear this. Hit that like and follow button first before we move on. Think about it, the dollar is just chillin', right? And guess what? Gold is playing a game of cat and mouse with pressure, and it's all about that consolidation life. Monday's drama unfolds with US Treasury bonds taking a ride and emotions hitting the roof. Gold's like, watch me break that 2000 ounce mark. But the dollar says, not so fast. The US dollar index DXY wanted to make a comeback. Retail traders are going all in on gold and silver, but will it pay off? And here's the kicker, the US 10-year Treasury bond yields hit rock bottom last week, then boom. On Monday, they skyrocketed to a record-breaking high of 4.6577%. 3 5-year Treasury bonds ain't missing out, hitting daily highs of 4.742% and 4.6070. It's like a financial party, and you're all invited. Smash that like, share button and follow for more updates.